The Google Pixel XL further proves why AMOLED displays look the best for smartphones, thanks to its colorful and bright screen that outclasses LCD panels every time. It is vivid and ready for virtual reality on a budget, the latter being one key reason we suggest you upgrade from the normal-sized, 1080p Google Pixel. If you're into VR, big phones and more battery life, this one's for you. If not, save your money. The screen looks better than an iPhone 7 Plus, but it's missing one key feature we like about Apple's display and newer Samsung and LG handsets, a rise to wake or always-on screen. Having to reach for the tiny, sign-mounted sleep-wake button on this phone just to light up the lock screen made us miss this informative display feature. The rear fingerprint sensor pad, not a button, lights up and unlocks the phone with authentication, too, but that's only useful when it's in your hand, not sitting on a desk. At least give up a double-tap wake feature to light up the lock screen. In ambient display modes does light the screen up in a black and white color palette when notifications come in, but it's just not the same. Google has finally upgraded its new phone to include a night light mode that matches the iOS 9.3 feature. It lacks the adjustable orange to blue levels Apple has had from the beginning, and turns from blue to orange rather abruptly at sunset, but it's a start.